Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module we are going to learn about the important branches of accounting. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, that is AICPA, had defined accounting as the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. Now we are going to learn about the important branches of accounting. The role of an accountant in generating accounting information is to observe, screen, and recognize events and transactions to measure the process them and thereby compile reports comprising accounting information that are communicated to the users. The important reports or financial statement of the company are trial balance, trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet, etc. The important users of the company are internal users and external users. These are then interpreted, decoded, and used by management and other user groups. It must be ensured that the information provided is relevant, adequate, and reliable for decision making. The important branches of accounting are financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting. First, we are going to learn about the term financial accounting. Financial accounting assists keeping a systematic record of financial transaction, the preparation and presentation of financial reports in order to arrive at a measure of organizational success and financial soundness. It relates to the past period, serves the stewardship functions, and is monetary in nature. It is primarily concerned with provision of financial information to all stakeholders. The purpose of financial accounting is to keep a record of all the financial transactions so that the profit earned or loss sustained by the business during an accounting period can be worked out. The financial position of the business as at the end of accounting period can be ascertained and the financial information required by the management and other interested parties can be provided. Next important type of branch of accounting is cost accounting. The purpose of cost accounting is to analyze the expenditure so as to ascertain the cost of various products manufactured by the firm and fix the prices. It also helps in controlling the cost and providing necessary costing information to management for decision making. It assists in analyzing the expenditure for ascertaining the cost of various products manufactured or services rendered by the firm and the fixation of price thereof. It also helps in controlling the cost and providing necessary costing information to management for decision making. Next type of branch of accounting is management accounting. The purpose of management accounting is to assist the management in taking rational policy decisions and to evaluate the impact of its decisions and actions. Management accounting deals with the provision of necessary accounting information to provide within the organization to enable them in decision making, planning, and controlling business operations. Management accounting draws the relevant information mainly from financial accounting and cost accounting, which helps the management in budgeting, assessing profit, taking pricing decisions, capital expenditure decisions, and so on. Besides, it generates other information that is quantitative and qualitative, financial and non financial, which relates to the future and is relevant for decision making in the organization. Such information includes sales forecast, cash flows, purchase requirements, manpower needs, environmental data, etc.